In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Hindi text in CapCut PC step by step, even if you've never typed in Hindi on your computer before. This is super useful if you make Hindi edits, subtitles, lyric videos, reels, shorts, or any content where you want your text to look clean and professional inside CapCut. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enable the Hindi keyboard on your PC and then type Hindi text directly into CapCut without any confusion. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, before you open CapCut, you need to make sure your computer can type in Hindi. To do that, go to your PC's language settings. If you're on Windows, you can search for language settings from the Start menu and open it. Once you're inside the settings page, look for the option to add a language. Click on Add a language, then search for Hindi. Select Hindi India and install it on your computer. This adds the Hindi keyboard layout to your system so you can switch between English and Hindi whenever you want. After the Hindi language pack is added, make sure the keyboard layout is enabled. In most cases, Windows will automatically add the typing input for you. But if you want to double check, go back into the language options and confirm that Hindi is available in your input list. Once it is installed, you should be able to switch languages using the language icon on your taskbar or by using your keyboard shortcut. Now that Hindi typing is enabled, open CapCut PC and load the project you want to work on. Once your project is open, go to the top left of the CapCut interface and click on Text. Inside the text options, select Add Text. This will create a new text layer on your timeline and open a text box where you can type your content. At this point, click inside the text box so the cursor is active. Now switch your typing input from English to Hindi using the keyboard layout you just added. You'll usually see the language indicator on your taskbar change from English to Hindi. Once the Hindi keyboard is active, start typing your text directly into the CapCut text box. As you type, the Hindi characters should appear on the screen in real time. If the text doesn't appear correctly at first, don't worry. Just make sure your keyboard input is set to Hindi before you type. Sometimes people add the language but forget to switch the input method, and that is usually the reason the text still comes out in English. So always check the language indicator before typing. After your Hindi text is typed in, you can customize it just like any other text in CapCut. You can change the font, size, position, color, spacing, and animation if needed. This is great because it lets you make your Hindi text match the style of your video perfectly. If you're making subtitles, you can place the text at the bottom. If you're making a title or caption, you can move it anywhere on the screen. One helpful tip is to type short test words first, just to confirm that the Hindi keyboard is working properly in CapCut. Once you see that the characters are appearing correctly, you can type full sentences without any issues. This saves time and helps you avoid having to retype everything later, and that's really all there is to it. The key steps are: add the Hindi keyboard in your PC language settings, open CapCut, click text, choose Add Text, switch your input to Hindi, and type directly into the text box. Once you know this process, adding Hindi text in CapCut PC becomes very easy and very fast. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut editing tips, PC tutorials, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.